Welcome back to 6Storage. In this tutorial, we're going to discover more on the new look and the feel that you got for the sitemap. So as always, you could head for the sitemap in two ways. You could always navigate to the quick access button on top, or go to the Units tab and hit on Sitemap. This will eventually take you to the sitemap that's going to give you a bird's eye view of the entire storage layout. So here we are, a new look, a new UI design for your sitemap that you use on a daily basis. So as always, you're going to find the filter options to filter between multiple locations, filter between different buildings that you got, or the unit type. You could also filter based on the status or simply the unit size that you're looking out for. Hit on the search to narrow down your search for the particular unit, or simply clear the filter to view all units at once. We also do have the edit layout option, where you have the freedom to go ahead and rearrange the sitemap accordingly as you desire. You could use the drag option to simply drag a unit as to where you'd like, or hit on the rotate icon to rotate a unit, or just flip them if you'd like to. And even more, you could go ahead and resize them as to whoever you'd like. You could also go ahead and hit on select all and do the same changes for multiple units at once, or simply choose select by click to choose a particular series of units and make changes to your desire. You could always hit on save changes to save the changes, or hit on cancel to go back discarding all changes that you've just done. And again, reminding you again that we are following a simple color code pattern to go ahead and representing the status of the units. The suspended, your overdue, scheduled move-outs, reserved units, future move-in, your rented ones and your vacant ones, along with the unavailable or non-rentable units. You do have the option to change the unit color as to your liking to have a better look and feel of your storage layout. Looking at the units, as always, you're going to find the green ones being vacant. So simply hitting on them is going to give you the option to make changes to the unit, be it the price or the unit number or the size, or simply perform a move-in right from the sitemap. And hovering over your yellow is going to give you the existing tenant's name pop up on top. Hitting on a red is going to be an overdue tenant that's also going to give you the amount that they're due for and their last paid through date. So looking at this, I know that the tenant is due for this month currently, and also maybe I've got a late fee added cost to him. So I can perform a pay now directly from here, grab more details, or simply move out the tenant right from the sitemap. Even more so, I could also drop in comments that I'd like to wish to keep a track of the overdue tenant. And as requested by many of you, we do have the zoom option functioning properly right now, so you can zoom out or zoom in to your liking if you've got a smaller layout or a bigger one. And we also did get the blue grid changed to a gray one for much better visibility to access and play around with your layout. Once again, thanks much for choosing 6Storage for managing your storage operations better. And we believe, as always, the sitemap is going to be the one major feature that's going to help you with your daily operations.